How to use PandaBuy. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, search for PandaBuy on Google, and if you are on mobile device then you can simply download it on your Android phone or on your iOS. It is available in Play Store or App Store, and if you are on your PC or laptop then simply open up PandaBuy's website, but make sure that you are opening the original website, and it is called pandabuy.com, as there are so many fake websites out there, but make sure that you don't get caught up in any scam out there. So just make sure the URL is correct. After that you need to sign up for an account. Let's sign up. Click on sign up, then provide your country and your username, your email, password, and make sure your password is strong. Then provide the verification code. After that you will be able to sign up. Other than that, you can simply click on this option of Google or Apple. You can sign up using your Google ID or Apple ID. So let me sign up using my Google ID. And after you sign up, this is how the interface will look like. And over here you can select any product, and before that you can simply select the product, then type your product's email address. You can copy it from any platform, and this PandaBuy platform will able to search for that particular product. You can also search that product using the name of that particular product, and in case if you have the shop link of that particular product, then simply select shop over here and then provide the link for that particular shop. Then simply click on search, and PandaBuy will be able to search for that particular product and give you the cheapest or different products which are available through PandaBuy. And in case if you don't have the product information or the name, then you can simply upload that particular product's image by just clicking on this option, and this way PandaBuy will be able to search that particular product using the image of that particular product. And also make sure that you select over here and change your currency to USD instead of Chinese currency. So just click on OK after that, and your currency will be changed. You can search for different products on various platforms. Just copy their link and paste it over here. And some websites named as the Taobao, which is a Chinese website, you can also use that particular website and search for the products from there, and it will be cheaper and the quality will be good. So you get the chance to check the quality. And also PandaBuy works in a way that you get to check the quality. When you order something from PandaBuy, as soon as product arrives in PandaBuy's warehouse, you will be sent the product images, and after that you can inspect these images, and if you like the quality, only then you can proceed with the purchase. Otherwise you can simply return it, and PandaBuy will help you return that particular product. So what we have to do is just search for a product over here. You can also get the links from Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. So what you have to do is just type a particular product's name over here. Suppose I want Jordan, so I will just type Jordan over here and wait for it to load. And after that a lot of products will appear. So among this list you need to select any of the product that you want to purchase. Suppose I want to purchase this one, so I will just open it up. After that, when we go over here, we can see the price, which is $23.45. And you can also open up this particular shop in order to check all the different products this particular shop has. Now you need to choose the size and the color and also the quantity. After that you can simply add it to your cart or buy now. After you submit this particular selection of yours for a particular product, the PandaBuy warehouse will get it for you, and PandaBuy will do all the logistics and get this particular product into their warehouse in your supported country. Suppose you are ordering it from USA, so they will get it in USA's warehouse. After that they will provide the pictures and do the quality check of that particular product, and if you find it to be completely fine and you want this particular product to be shipped to you at your location, then from PandaBuy warehouse it will be sent to your home. And this is how it all works. So this is how you use PandaBuy. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.